Hey, I'm Bill. This is Vital Bike Chains. I'm at Alafire River State Park today, and after I ride, I'm going to show you what maintenance I do to my chain.
The trails were in pretty good shape today. It had rained the night before, and so it was pretty packed down. Now, down in some of the valleys, the rain had washed some dirt and sort of had this loose but kind of clumpy condition. Yeah, so after my ride, I did have a little bit of dirt on the chain, but I would say minimal.
Yeah, so now the ride is done. It was actually pretty nice day today. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean my chain first. I use denatured alcohol. You could probably use isopropyl alcohol as well. And I'm just gonna have a microfiber rag. Just gonna douse the rag pretty good. And then that's not good enough. And then I'm gonna run my chain back through it a few times. I'm gonna find another spot on the rag and do it one more time. So this is the dry lube I'm going to use. It's by True Tension. Now, True Tension makes a bunch of lubes. So if you're looking for this one, it's called Tungsten All Weather Lube. So I'm going to give it a little bit of a shake. This actually has a screw top cap, so it doesn't fall off. And then I'm going to find my master link so I know where to start and stop. I know it has them out there. I put a drop right on top of the rollers. And then keep going. It's okay if some spills off.
So now I just run the chain backwards a few times, a dozen times maybe, or until my arm gets tired. And now the hard part. You need to sit and wait for that lube to dry. Now, some companies say at least 2 hours. I really like it to be overnight. So that's kind of why I lube the chain right after I ride, so then I don't have to like worry about it later on. And that's it. So I'll see you next time on Vital Bike Chains.